While the nation watches Sydney's case numbers, Queensland wants to help provide some other essential viewing.
One way we can assist them is by ensuring that they can all have footy to watch on TV.
The southeast corner will host another football bubble. Sydney's 9 NRL teams, plus Canberra, Newcastle and the Warriors, are all set to relocate.
The schedule is to fly all 12 teams via private charter into southeast Queensland on Wednesday.
Lang Park, Robina Stadium and Sunshine Coast Stadium will stand in as home grounds. Teams and immediate family members will be housed at 3 hotels.
As long as they stay in those 3 hubs, which we know they will, and they've got exclusive use, so there's no one else in those hotels other than those teams and their family members, there is no risk to Queensland.
If someone steps out of line and breaches us in quarantine, there'll be significant implications.
Where there are breaches, the NRL puts in place pretty stringent penalties. I mean, it's not like a $1,000 fine. I think they can go up to $20,000 or $30,000. But also, too, we'll be keeping an eye on it.
The government is also keeping an eye on the escalating situation in New South Wales. With cases so far confined to Greater Sydney, Queensland hasn't imposed a hard border. But residents who are in New South Wales have been warned to come home.
Even if you are in, regional parts of New South Wales, we are monitoring that very closely and things can change.
The Chief Health Officer is watching testing numbers, the level of restrictions in Sydney and other data from authorities south of the border.
Every morning they provide me all of their sewage testing details, and they do a lot of it all through the state.
The last case infectious in the community in Queensland was on July 5th.
Because everything is going so well, I can advise that on the advice of Dr Young, we can ease our restrictions from 6 a.m. Friday.
That means from Friday morning, masks don't need to be worn while out and about. Visitors can go to hospitals, aged care and disability care facilities. More customers in pubs, restaurants and cafes. And dancing is allowed again.
Don't go early because there are consequences. We need you to abide by the current restrictions until 6 a.m. Friday.
There are still more than 4,000 close contacts in home quarantine in Queensland. Emily Gromens, ABC News, Brisbane.